press on and off.
Okay.
Huh? Okay? So if you want to press on and
Good morning, children. Welcome to this class. Today is fine morning. In this class, we will discuss about the minerals and power resources. The topic this is topic number 3, minerals and power resources. Just will give introduction about what is mineral and what are the different types of minerals, how these minerals are being formed, all those things we will discuss with the help of the extra mark. Let us see here. The topic is minerals and power resources. Here you see learning models, learning tools. Right?
This module includes introduction, minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals, power resources, conventional resources, non-conventional resources, conservation of resources, recapitulation.
These are the points which we are going to discuss in the topic. First one is introduction about minerals, and these minerals we are being extracted from the minerals. Most of these minerals we are being extracted from the crust, from the inside the crust, and how these minerals are being distribution of minerals. These minerals how they are being placed in to generate the power, the electricity. Then comes conventional resources, non-conventional resources. What are conventional resources? Examples. What are non-conventional sources of energies, and what are the examples? Then how to conserve these resources. Okay. Then followed by recap. So let us discuss one by one. Here, the first one is introduction part.
This is Avi. She is visiting her native place in Dhanbad, a town in the state of Jharkhand. She is amazed to see vast areas which are black. Why is this place so black and dirty? This is because of coal mines nearby. Can you see the trucks? They are carrying the mineral coal. What are minerals? You must have seen biscuits and even eaten them. Flour, sugar, milk, and sometimes eggs are mixed to make biscuits. Are they visible in a biscuit? No. In the same way, rocks on Earth have several materials called minerals mixed in them. Minerals are scattered throughout the Earth's rocky crust. Let us study about minerals. Geographers study minerals as part of the Earth's crust in order to have a better understanding of the landforms. A geologist is interested in the formation of minerals, their age and their physical and chemical composition. Let us know about prehistoric mining. People have used stone, ceramics, and later even metals, which have been found in the Earth's surface since time immemorial. Oldest known mine is the Lion Cave. Paleolithic humans mined minerals at this site, which proved to be about 43,000 years old. Quarries of turquoise and copper were also found at Wadi Hammamat, Tura, Aswan, and various other Nubian sites.
consists of minerals in abundance. The earth is made up of the crust, mantle, and core.
Minerals. Let us study about minerals. Minerals are the naturally occurring homogeneous elements possessing physical and chemical properties, for example, iron, copper, aluminium, coal, gold, etc. Let us know some of the general characteristics of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances, have definite chemical composition, have specific physical properties, have highly ordered atomic structure, are the sources of different types of metals, are not evenly distributed over the space, formed in different types of geological environments.
Now, the general characteristics of the minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances. So, every mineral if you take, we have certain characteristics. So, minerals are natural occurring substances having definite chemical composition. It has definite chemical composition and specific physical properties. Specific physical properties. Highly ordered atomic structure. Highly ordered atomic structure. Sources of different types of metals. Sources of different types of metals. That means these metals will be extracting from these minerals. Not evenly distributed over the space. If you take these minerals, they are not distributing equally on the surface. Formed in different types of geological environments. So, according to the climatic conditions or environmental conditions, these minerals can be formed, geologically formed. That means there is a certain period of time. So, based on the time facts, these minerals are formed. So, all these can be considered as a general characteristics of these minerals.
Physical properties. The physical properties of minerals are color, density, hardness, chemical properties, solubility, and chemical reactivity.
Here you see physical factors means on what basis the minerals can be identified. So by seeing the color, yes, by seeing the color, density, hardness, whereas same time you have chemical properties like solubility and chemical reactivity. So this is how, based on the both physical and chemical properties, minerals can be classified.
Graphite is one of the softest minerals on the earth. Diamond is the hardest known mineral. Test yourself. What is the total number of known minerals on the Earth's crust? The options are A. 2000, B. 1000, C. 4000, D. 6000. Answer C. 4000. Explanation. A mineral is a naturally occurring solid formed through geological processes that have a characteristic chemical composition, a highly ordered atomic structure, and specific physical properties. Earth's crust and mantle consist almost entirely of minerals, yet the number of known minerals is less than 4,000. Minerals. Let us look at the classification of minerals. Minerals can be classified into metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals can further be classified into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals.
Generally, here we see the minerals can be classified into two main groups. That is, one is metallic minerals and second is non-metallic minerals. Metals are two types, that is metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. If you take the first one, that is metallic minerals, further can be classified into two types. That is, one is ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. Ferrous and non-ferrous. Let us discuss what is ferrous and non-ferrous.
The subtopics are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Let us have a look at the characteristics of metallic minerals. Characteristics of metals are hardness, good conductor of heat and electricity, have high melting and boiling points, have a characteristic luster or shine.
These are the characteristics of metallic minerals. They are very hard, good conductor of heat and electricity, have high melting and boiling points, have a characteristics luster or shine. These are all the characteristics of a metals. These metals are very hard.
Let us learn about ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals. Ferrous means containing iron. Minerals with high percentage of iron metals are ferrous minerals. Examples are iron ore, manganese, chromites, etc. Non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron, but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. Examples: zinc, bauxite, gold, etc. Let us know more about minerals through the following animation.
Copper tin are metals which are shedding.
Non-metallic minerals. Let us know about the characteristics of non-metallic minerals. Non-metals are soft, dull, do not have any luster or shine like metals, bad conductors of heat and electricity, have no heating and boiling points. Example: sulfur, limestone, mica, etc. Extraction of minerals. Following are the extraction processes of minerals: mining, drilling, quarrying, open cast mining, and shaft mining.
Extract from the minerals by following these three methods. One is mining, second one is drilling, and third one is quarrying. let us define what are these. What is mining, what is drilling, and what is quarry. These are the different ways. If you take the meaning of these all three methods, mining, drilling, quarry, if you take this easy way, is the extraction of the minerals from the crust. Only thing is there is a little variation from each word, mining, drilling, and quarry. Okay, let us see here. So let us take mining. Normally can be done in open cast mining. Open cast means surface area, open area. Whereas soft mining means it is deep inside the crust.
Mining is the digging out of the minerals buried under the interior layers of the earth. Mining is the extraction of valuable minerals or other geological materials from the earth, usually from an ore. Open cast mining. Open cast mining is the method of extracting rocks or minerals from the earth by removing them from an open pit or burrow. Mining of the minerals in shallow depth. It is used when deposits of commercially useful minerals or rock are found near the surface. Shaft mining. Shaft mining is the mining for the minerals at a greater depth. It is the deepest form of underground mining. Underground mining is chosen when one has to excavate hard minerals. Generally, minerals containing metals such as ores of gold, copper, zinc, nickel, and lead are excavated through shaft mining.
For children, now extraction of these minerals. So by following three methods, one is mining, second one is drilling, and shaft mining. With this, we will wind up and we will continue further the next class. Thank you.